Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Starting in September, IKEA has been releasing new items. I'll be introducing the one you should definitely check out. Let's get right into it with this roll. Isn't it just adorable? The fabric has such a cute and voluminous texture. Fringes also have that rivalry. When you go to the store, there are so many products that it's overwhelming. I hope this video helps you narrow down your choices. Let's get started. This is a stool that I've been eagerly waiting to see. I couldn't wait to check it out. It has storage space inside like this. The ice cream stick-like legs are just so cute. When I sat on it, it felt firm and stable. I thought it was very solid. It's made of fabric that is easy to clean. They demonstrated that even when you pour water on it, it repels it and doesn't stain easily. He wiped it up so quickly, didn't he? Before I could even, I wanted to zoom in more with the camera. Thank you for demonstration. Last time, when I introduced this light bulb, it got such a great response. Some people even said it looks like Mentos. Here's the next item from the lighting section. They've released new lampshade. The fabric feels soft like cloth, and it's super cute. I thought it would look great in a Japandi room. But since the bulb is quite exposed, it might be too bright with a high wattage bulb. It could be a bit glaring. The price is also surprising. Isn't it really affordable? That's IKEA for you. Now, let's move on to the table lamp section. There's a cute lamp with a wood and white fabric combination. It's shorter than the Router's light. Its shorter height makes it easier to balance. But since the legs spread it out quite a bit, you'll need more floor space. It's super cute and affordable too. And here we have another lamp in a brand new color. Everyone was saying how cute it is, picking it up one after another.
If you use a dimmable bulb, you can adjust the brightness.
What do you think? What do you think? It's just too cute. Now we are at the fabric section.
Earlier, I introduced this throw with a nice, thick texture, and now I found it in other colors too.
So what should I do? They are all so cute. This time of year, IKEA releases a lot of new blankets, so it's hard to choose which one to buy. Since IKEA blankets are seasonal and tend to rotate frequently, if you find one you like, be sure to grab it. Now, here's the cushion cover section. I've already decided to buy this one, so I'm definitely getting it. Isn't it super cute?
Here's the 65 by 65 size cushion section. I've also decided to buy this one. It's so adorable. This is a linen cushion cover. Previously, they only had brown and dark gray. Both the dark gray and brown are super cute, but I've been waiting for the white version,
and I finally got it.
By the way, they also sell a 50 by 50 centimeter size, which is more affordable. I've gotten so used to IKEA's pricing that I thought this one was a bit more expensive for IKEA.
Now, I'd like to show you what I bought. There will be more new products introduced later in the video. First, here's this fluffy cushion cover.
It's only fluffy on one side, and the back side is made of a smoother material. It's not slippery though. It's made from 100% recycled polyester. I'll be washing it later, but I've already washed it in the machine without any issues. It came out almost dry after the spin cycle, The tag says it's made of recycled polyester. They also have it in brown at other IKEA locations.
This cushion cover was the one I wanted the most. It's a larger size. I hope you can see how amazing the linen texture is in person.
Washing linen can be tricky though. I didn't have much trouble with lint, but linen does tend to wrinkle easily. I was worried that it would wrinkle as I used it, but after using it for a few days now, it's surprisingly fine. I think it's a cushion cover that you can use without worrying too much. This is how it looks after washing. The linen has this beautiful pure white color. It's not off-white. It's really white, and that's what makes it so great. I accidentally bought the polyester inner cushion. I actually prefer feather cushions, but surprisingly, it wasn't bad at all. I did my best to fluff it up, and it turned out quite nice. If you make a mistake, you can always return it, but this time I decided to keep it. I'm going to use it as is. The zipper placement is great. It's hidden just enough on the back. There's ribbing around all four sides, which I think is a great design detail. Now, I've put the feather inner cushion inside the fluffy cover. Here's how the wrinkles look after washing. But since it's on the back, it doesn't bother me. This is how it looks when placed out. It's quite large. The cushion in the front is a polyester one, and it's surprisingly affordable. But you can tell the difference in color. The front one is off-white, while the back is pure white. I actually really like both. I'm showing you a close-up here. Sorry about that. I wanted to show you the texture of the fabric. Linen is just so nice. Here are the two I bought, placed side by side. Next, I'm thinking of buying some cushion covers in different accent colors.
Now, do you know what this is?
You may have spotted it in the background earlier. This wasn't listed on IKEA USA website at the time I edited this video, but I found it in the store. What is it, right? It's a decoration made of lots of tiny disco balls. It sways back and forth and is so cute. It's already listed on IKEA Sweden and IKEA Portugal's websites. I think it's part of a New Year's party collection. Everything in this collection is shiny and adorable. I kept thinking, please stop being so cute, as I looked at everything. This decoration with the tiny disco balls is so much fun. It's so flashy. The cutlery in the collection is also super cute. I'm not sure if it's available in Japan yet, but I hope so. I definitely want to get my hands on it.
Now, let's open this up.
Isn't this shiny decoration just adorable? There's almost no assembly required. It comes like this. You just snap the base into place. The base has a felt anti-slip pad. At first, I thought it was a sticker and wondered if it would peel off, but it didn't. It's just felt. It's a bit fingerprint prone, but that's to be expected. I was being really careful not to leave any fingerprints while assembling it. The assembly is super easy, just this one step. As for how to display it, you can place it anywhere you like, and it'll look cute as it gently sways. I think it looks really nice when paired with silver accessories like this. I'm not sure how well this shows on video, but it's really sparkly and pretty. When the sun hits it, it casts little reflections on the table. It was so cute. I hope you can see it, but it really shines when the sunlight hits it. Here, you can see how it casts little reflections on the wall. It's adorable. The decoration itself is sparkly and shiny, and it's just so cute.
The rest of the collection includes, I found the candle holder.
They're affordable and have such cute cut designs. There are also lots of new candle products, including this one. It has such cute colors. This tea light candle holder is so adorable. Now, this is the one I was most excited about. But it's dangerous. Dangerous for my wallet, I mean. The container is just too cute. I didn't even smell the candle, but the container alone won me over. It has a textured surface that gives it a beautiful depth. There's also a new mini trolley that caught my eye. It's super lightweight. It's made of plastic, so I think it would work well in places like the bathroom or laundry room where there's moisture. The color is so cute. IKEA has been pushing this color a lot lately. Next to it, there's a sturdier trolley made of steel and glass. Compared to the other one, this one is much more compact. There are also lots of new sensor lights, including this spotlight, which I bought. I'll introduce it in the next video, but it's not the spotlight. It's something else. Recently, I've been really focusing on improving my sleep. IKEA has also been highlighting sleep as a theme, and I've been learning about things like sleep debt. I've been really interested in this topic, and I've been studying it a lot. It turns out that scent is really important for sleep, so I bought this potpourri. I was trying really hard not to cut the contents while opening it, so I was carefully cutting at the edge. Potpourri is great because it has such a natural scent. Recently, I've been waking up at 5:30 in the morning to take English conversation lessons every weekday, so going to bed early has become really important to me. Potpourri is perfect. It has such a nice, calming scent. Before bed, I always try to read a book. What's your bedtime routine? In the next video, I'll be showing more IKEA purchases. But before I go, I want to say one last thing.
This video marks my 100th YouTube video. Thank you all for your amazing support on this journey. Here's to the 100 videos together. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video.